Hello! We're here at the Changi Village for Father's Day special. Happy Father's Day, Papa Kim.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Papa Kim want to go to Changi Village for Father's Day special.
Papa.
Andre, what do you want to say?
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Ali.
Father's Day, Papa.
Ali, here.
I know what to say.
Gay. What is your message to Papa?
No.
I know you already
No.
have message. Okay. Tell me, what's your message?
Say to the public.
Okay, so heavy
Say to the
already.
thousands and thousands.
Our big boy already so heavy na.
Say it.
Pa, you are not say it now. Okay.
Pa, you are not just my father. You are my hero.
Thank you very much. Salamat sa sakripisyo ginahimo nimo para sa ato ako. Salamat pa. Where's the the Bisaya one? The Bisaya one. No, the Bisaya. There is a Bisaya, right? You compose, right?
Storya lang eh.
The Bisaya one, right?
Storya lang ka.
Papa, here's a message for you in Bisaya.
Pasalamat sa tanan nga sakripisyo mo para sa amuang pamilya.
Gugma kita.
Ay!
Tika. Say tika, Papa.
Yo.
Kita.
Tika man ang
Tika. Tika.
bistak na. Chicken tika masala.
That's the one, the Bisaya one.
Masala.
I use AI. I love you, Papa. Did you enjoy your day today?
I don't know, maybe AI. I don't know.
No, later mo kanta na po si Papa. Oh, then we have breakfast at the Changi Village.
Okay, tundo to balay.
Papa eat the favorite food, the mutton soup. Hello, Papa, what's that?
Ow!
Nagdagan.
Ito lang naman.
Parts mo na, mga sand.
Ha?
Mga sand.
Oh, mo na siya ang sand. Dahil nga ka nang gina-transport nila. Adulong sa ano?
Tulong dali para gamiton.
Oh, dahil sa gikan.
Balik siya.
Ha?
Balik siya.
Oh, the sand transported going to
Binabira na ako pa?
Tagbot oh.
Bye guys, happy Father's Day everyone. Happy Father's Day Lolo Rogelio,
Happy Father's Day, Lolo.
Daddy Felix,
Father's Day, Mama Raya.
Tito Dodong, Tito
Tito J.
JR, Tito J.
Si Dada.
Yeah, we already mentioned Dada.
Ano?
Dada Felix. And Tito Dodong Hill in heaven. Bye-bye for now. Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Samlim.
Bye-bye.
Samlim.